Hey there everyone, I'm Michael, and welcome to the third episode of Sysop Adventures. And first off, I just want to say this is a freaking awesome desktop background that I made all by myself simply by using Open Broadcaster software and magnifier. Anyways, so what are we going to be looking at in this episode? Well, we're going to be looking at the multi-user domain, or digital society as it's called nowadays, and a major bug that I have created on accident, not even knowingly, with the server. And what happens is, run it, it boots, a few seconds later, shuts down, reboots, shuts down, reboots, shuts down, reboots. As you can see, this is quite annoying. And if you were going to deal with this in game, you would constantly see messages saying, "You got disconnected from the server. Okay, we got you back." And it would do that over and over again. So we need to figure this one out, like, now. Because right now the entire Hypnos server is down, and that's not good. So I guess we'll begin with program and figuring things out here. We've got mud exception. Let's not. We don't want this in the code, so we're going to do some code cleanup as well, I guess. So we don't want that. Those aren't used. Ring event handler. Why not just use a string or an action? Server started. Who cares? I just want to know. Oh, I think I know what's happening here. We've got an exception. Oh, great. I wonder if it's possible. Oh, of course it's possible with the magic of breakpoints. As we know, all that does is start a new server and then exit the current one. And lo and behold, we hit a breakpoint. So the exception is, the remote server returned an error 400 bad request. Is this a Unite issue? There are no context policies. We don't care. Unhandled exception event arcs. Let's go. IP for Watson sockets. What? Inner exception is transient. Message. Can we get a stack trace? Copy. Alley. Put that notepad. Inverted colors. Okay. That's not good. Visual Studio, you do not like me, do you? I'm going to have to do this all by myself. Well, I can already see what's happening. This is a Unite bug. Oops. If only there was a better way to do this in Notepad, but sadly there isn't. But I guess this gives me an opportunity to talk about some Beta 2.7 features that are coming in Shift OS. For one, the storyline is being heavily worked on, so expect a lot of new story elements and stuff like that. And in the back end, we're working on a lot of things as well and fixing a lot of bugs. Yeah, so that's okay. So let's see what we've got here. So at the lowest level we can go, we've got a unite client request, make call string URL. So it's trying to get a user's code points. Where would it be getting the user's code points? I need to investigate. At least I know what's happening here. We're getting a bad request from the Unite server causing this. Kill the debugger. And we'll just add a breakpoint there and step through it and see where it ticks. Okay. I don't really care about that. So that is the heartbeat code. That's good. This creates the saves. We've got a scripts directory in there. Server.onStart, server.onError, client accepted. Well, that's a bit unneeded, don't you think? Don't need that. We already have that. Okay. So now we're at IP address bindings. Yay! Come on, you'll find one. There we go. Okay. So you've started. That's good. No crash. Okay. Random user generator. Can we end that? Well, C# seems to be pretty keen on us doing that, so... Is it gonna crash? Oh, it could have been as that random user generator. Purge all bad saves. Okay. So it runs now. That must have been an oddity, I guess. So now we get it back on the server. We did some code cleanup that we needed to do. GitHub. Let's get this show on the road. Fix major server reboot. Alright, sync. Alright, now that that's up, going on to GitHub, we can go into Azure and start everything up. I did actually shut down the server, the public server, like the entire virtual machine, thinking I was getting DDoSed, but now I know I'm not. So, yeah. Okay. Oh. Let's not show. Wait. Okay. Start. And the server's starting. I hope. Seems we got $10 remaining on this thing. And 4 days to go, so might experience some downtime in a few days. At least it'll actually be 4 days. Are you running yet? Yes, you're running. Good. Alright. Remote desktop. Again, it's not often you get to see a remote desktop connection in a video. But this is the things we do in Sysop Adventures. Configuring remote session. Nice fresh Windows session. Alright, so first things first, we close this. We don't need that. Get out of here, server manager. Alright. The first thing we need to do is we need to find astromod. There it is. So we go astromod. We run that. That gets astromod running. And we do the same for astroquote. Run that. Right. Now we go get our handy dandy PowerShell. Documents. Shift OS. Git pull. Ooh, already up to. No, I'm not. I'm not up to date. Something's amiss here. Let's do this through GitHub. GitHub. Oops. Earbud fell out there. Right, let's sync. It's not deciding to sync. I'm not too sure what's going on here. Failed to sync the... Oh, this is just going downhill. Come on. Well, let's Sysop Adventures. Let's see how long we can make this video go. Get hell. Get status. Nothing to commit. Use git push to publish your local commits. Git push. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. It's the GitHub bug. Right? Sync. Right. Fix major server. Reboot. Okay. Now, I'm wondering if we can do this without using Visual Studio. We have to compile it. MS. Oh, MS build. Oh, right. Oh, great. It's not going to work out like that. So we have to use Visual Studio. Right then. Things I go through to get things working. Alright. F5. You can do it, Visual Studio. You've done it before on this server. Build succeeded. Now let's see. It's still doing it. I thought on the count of... Wait, what? What? I closed it! That's achy! I'm not too sure what's going on here. Uh, build. Build solution. Something doesn't seem right. Can I get output? Oh, it's definitely building. Gotta love watching C# project build Visual Basic code. 7 succeeded, 0 failed, 2 up to date, 0 skipped. I'm at a loss. Are we getting another exception? Go away! No! Thank you. Okay. Okay, we need to go to the main code for this. Of course, I closed it. Program. And where were we? Very top, weren't we? That's where we put the breakpoint. I'm not going to lie, this is actually making me mad. Okay, I need to see what that exception is. Okay. Could it be as simple as... I wonder if it's just that GitHub didn't push what it needed to push. Oh yeah, that's exactly what happened. No, it's not what happened. What else did we change that caused this build solution? I will be. Alrighty, now let's see. I want to know if it was that random user generator that caused this. Okay, clients are connected. Can always tell when people are really cool if there's whenever the server goes down and they keep on playing, and immediately after I start the server you get like 3 instant connections. Anyways, that's what caused it. That's what caused the issue. It's the abandoned feature. So now we get to announce the servers are back. And not announce that single person, do that here. Servers are back, bug is fixed. And just as a test, mod ping, cool, if mod pings us, and quote of the day. So all the bots are working, and people are happy that the server's back. So, git status, made only a few new commits. Let's not worry about all these Swedish Victor Tran Mafia commits. Let's just end the video off. Because now it should let us back into the game. Let's just see. I'm not recording my desktop's audio, so we shouldn't hear any music. I just want to see. Okay. Connection successful. Come on, you can do it. I just heard the music start, so that's a sign. Now I might as well explain what what caused this. Basically, I made a few commits that did a lot of things with code points and the save system and stuff like that on the server side, and I haven't updated the official public servers in a while, since this stuff wasn't really persisting in people's saves, so I made a commit to fix that, and I updated the server, and that happened. And now that that's fixed, we should see that things like your music volume and stuff like that will persist on the server. Every time you reboot the game, it should apply that new setting. And there's some story stuff that requires this update as well, so yeah. Anyways, I've been Michael. I'll see you guys in the next video.